Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will try to compare the speculations by AI models about the upcoming ICC Champions Trophy 2025. I asked 5 popular AI LLMs about the upcoming ICC Champions Trophy 2025. These models included ChatGPT-4 Turbo Reason, Gemini Advanced 2.0 Flash, DeepSeek R1, Qwen-2.5 Max and MiniMax-Text-01. My prompt was, ICC Champions Trophy 2025 will be held from 19th February to 9th March, hosted by Pakistan and United Arab Emirates. 8 teams will participate in the tournament, such that Group A will comprise Pakistan, India, New Zealand, and Bangladesh, while Group B will have Australia, England, South Africa, and Afghanistan. Keeping in view the history and data available, answer the following questions. 1. Who will be the best batsman in ICC Champions Trophy 2025? 2. Who will be the best bowler of ICC Champions Trophy 2025? 3. Which 2 teams will play the final of the tournament? 4. Who will be the champion of the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? I got the following responses. The response of ChatGPT-4 was Best Batsman, Babar Azam. Best Bowler, Shaheen Afridi. Finalists, Pakistan versus Australia. Champion, Pakistan. The response of Gemini was Best Batsman, Babar Azam. Best Bowler, Shaheen Shah Afridi. Finalists, India versus Australia. Champion, Australia. The response of DeepSeek was Best Batsman, Babar Azam. Best Bowler, Shaheen Afridi. Finalists, Pakistan versus Australia. Champion, Pakistan. The response of Qwen-2.5 was Best Batsman, Babar Azam. Best Bowler, Pat Cummins. Finalists, India versus Australia. Champion, India. The response of MiniMax was Best Batsman, Babar Azam. Best Bowler, Shaheen Afridi or Rashid Khan. Finalists, India versus England. Champion, India. All the models stated that these predictions are speculative and based on current form and historical data. Since cricket is unpredictable and any of the teams could emerge as the champion. What do you predict? Reply and comment. Do not forget to subscribe and share.